Okay, I see some fireworks over there. Oh, see? Just turned red. I know I'm recording this late at night, but still, I'm here to see the fireworks from here in my yard. As you can see. Well, barely see because it's freaking dark out. Oh. Yeah, you can hear the bangs over there in the distance. Those are the fireworks, folks. Think of this as an ASMR type video, if you know what I mean. Boom. Yeah, you hear the fireworks, folks? That's right. It's almost Canada Day here in my area. I promise I'll try to get a video come Canada Day. I hope. Okay, the key word being hope here, folks. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking as closely as I can. Oh, I see one. But yeah, if you live in Canada like I do, happy Canada Day, folks. And if you live in the United States, happy 4th of July to all my American viewers out there. So yeah, this is my big return to YouTube, if you know what I mean. I apologize for it being so dark outside, but it's nighttime, where fireworks are usually outside. So yeah, there's that.